Hi, my name is Dominic with Pristine Cleaners, and today we are going to clean a milk stain. Although you can't see it, there is a sour smell there. The first step that we're going to do is we have to pre-spray with our Hydro Force. There's detergent inside here. After we pre-spray, we're going to scrub it with a drill brush. After that, we're going to extract it with hot water and a different kind of detergent. And then after that, we will treat it with something that is specific for protein spills. This is called Stain Magic, and what you do is you spray it on and you let it sit for up to 20 minutes to an hour. And after that, the customer will have to vacuum it off and it should be good as new. If you would like to inquire about our services, please visit pristinerestorationservices.com. Thank you.